Yes, my people. Obodo Ederugo Gigi. But we'll keep on talking. We can't just close our mouths seeing things going wrong. But never a time was it recorded that any state, Borno and the near Adamawa, where Boko Haram was giving them tough time and killing people, they never invited the military. Why should a governor in Southeast invite the military? It is appalling. Now they don't want secession, and they're not asking for regional autonomy. They say they want one Nigeria. What is one Nigeria? There's nothing like one Nigeria. There was never and there will never be one Nigeria. We are different nations in this country. Igbo nation, Hausa nation, Yoruba nation, Fulani nation, Ijo nation, Nupe nation, and the other minorities. Nigeria is never one. It was never one, and it will never be one. We are different nations, just like United Kingdom is, where we have Wales, England, Scotland, and Northern Ireland in one country. That's what the way Nigeria is. Also like the US, that understand or understood from onset that they are not one. It is United States of America, and each state in the US has its own constitution. That's what we want here. If we don't, you say that we don't support secession. Empower the state assembly and call on the legislative federal lawmakers we have in Igbo from Igbo states. They should be called and they direct on what to do if they don't know what to do, because it seems that those people are lost in the federal houses, in the House of Representatives and Senate. Pa Eneharo moved motion for Nigeria independence. He was shut down the first time, and after a couple of years he moved the motion again, and the motion got backing until we got our independence. Somebody in the House of Rep or Senate should move motion for regional autonomy in Nigeria. If we don't want secession, if we want the killing of our youth to stop, we have to give them something. There should be an alternative, not just that we don't want secession. That will not stop them from agitating, and that means they will continue to be killed, and their blood are on your heads. We have to rise up. We have to do something. This is not time to be on the fence. This is not time for being politically correct because we want presidency in 2023. Yes, we want presidency, but that is not a bargain. It's not what we will give in order to forfeit self-determination. We cannot give up self-determination. Ndị Igbo want self-determination. It is either regional autonomy or to your tent or Israel. There are no two ways about that. So, when our leaders say they don't want secession, they should give us regional autonomy. It's high time they start negotiating with leaders in other regions. Let's come together. Let's give a political solution to this quest of our youths. These youths are frustrated. They will finish school, there's no job. Some of them that have work to do, there's no capital, they can't get a loan from banks. And what do we want them to do? They will be there watching and their lives are being wasted. Out of frustration, most of them have left this country. And you want them to do nothing? We want to take care of our economy. We want to take care of our security. We want to take care of our lives. We want to take care of our own land. We are now occupied. Every 1 kilometer is a checkpoint of either the police or military men, and they are treating people badly. Yeah? Well, we are looking for solution, peaceful solution to this. And I believe that the peaceful solution is a roundtable discussion. This thing that the Senate is doing, going around making a constitutional review, I see it as an exercise in futility. We have to really be serious of what we want. Let's all Nigerians come, all the nations in Nigeria come to round table and agree on regional autonomy. If we can't agree on that, please, to your tent, O Israel. My name is Obumneke Jimkonyo Kafo. I am the national leader of Igbo Patriots, a member of People Restoration Movement, PRM. As Ezigbo Nwafọ, a full-fledged Igbo man, I've been in meetings, in symposia, and in workshops of Ohaneze Ndigbo and ADF. So I also say that I am an associate member of Ohaneze Ndigbo and the ADF. Because I'm on ground and I have the information like some of us do. All I said here are what Ndigbo wants. We want self-determination. We want to be.
The summary of it. The summary of it is that we cannot run away from this stark reality that Nigeria has to be restructured. Whether it is the restructuring that gives more powers to states or a return to the regional arrangement of the past, or the restructuring that allows parts of the country that want to go and stand as independent nation, whatever that restructuring means, we must not run away from it. And our position as bishop, and I must say now, I'm carrying you along as a diocese, is that if we continue to pretend that all is well, we will keep bleeding profusely. And very soon, there might be nothing called Nigeria. Instead of our killing ourselves under the pretext of remaining one indivisible nation. Some people say Nigeria's unity is non-negotiable. I want to say it is negotiable. This thing is like marriage. You don't force two people to get married. We have been forced into a marriage that is hurting us. And every day we are dying and pretending to be one. Please, instead of our killing ourselves, and there will be no Nigeria left, let us come to a round table like this. Bring Nigeria as a cake. Bring one big knife and share the cake. Share the cake. Share the cake.